I give it a few days before they're back together.
Even when I did try and tell people, they didn't believe me.
Come on, she told me they're really broken up this time.
Sure they are, Shell. That's why she's still wearing that tacky J necklace.
He is going to be running right back into his arms the minute he snaps his fingers.
If not him, the next closest alpha male with a pulse.
Some people just aren't born to stand on their own. Oh, girl, let's drink. Come on.
I knew I needed to find some way to show the world that I'd cut ties with Mr. J for good.
Harley!
Some people have the Eiffel Tower or Olive Garden. The Joker and I, our love bloomed in a highly toxic industrial processing plant. And luckily for me, I have all my best ideas drunk.
I have the best idea.
Like a lit cigarette, took my last breath. Like a song from my lips, I've lied for you, and I liked it too. My knees are bruised from kneeling to you. I've had enough, but you're too hard to quit. We've had our fun, now your sugar makes me sick.
This is where it all began, Puddin'.
You motherfucker!
And now I'm laughing through my tears. I'm crying through my fears. But baby, if I had to choose, the joke's on you. The joke's on you.
It was the closure I needed. A fresh start. A chance to be my own woman. But I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation. This is our story. And I'm telling it, so I'll start where I fucking want. Meet the cop.
Guy 50 says it was turf war.
Not him.
Well, as always, you're wrong, Monroe.
Her, Renee Montoya. Raised on 80s cop shows, she's always saying cheesy shit like,
There was only one shooter. Inside. This guy shot out the glass. Serrano. Yo, hey! Have ballistics check for a bullet in one of those parked cars.
10 years ago, she broke a career-making case.
Did I stutter?
But her partner at the time took all the credit. So while he made captain, she got stuck at detective level with this idiot.
Okay, you think one guy got all four?
Wait, wait, shh.
I'm just saying, we got 4 dead bodies here, you know, one guy.
I'm trying
bullet
to
holes.
work.
I'm sorry. Go ahead, work. Go ahead.
The shooter got close before drawing. 6 rounds. 2 for each of these 3.
Mind you, that. Yeah, I'm telling you.
Girl Angelina, she's a princess.
Whoa,
Look at this. Is that Halloween?
And it wasn't about them. It's all about this guy right here.
Do you know who I am?
You fucking bitch.